Sorry that we took a while to get started. My computer decided to crash as soon as the meeting was supposed to start, so it took a while. But first order of business, we had a Sabino Canyon Star Party last weekend. Thank you so much to Kevin and Katie and Amy and I believe Matt, who were there and helped out with that. It was a weird weekend and people were unavailable or out of town, and therefore unavailable. So it was kind of a small star party, but thank you guys for doing that. And hopefully next month will be better because we'll all be in town because we all have finals.
Yay!
Yay!
Does that mean you guys won't have time to do it?
People were out of town, like
And
legitimately.
physically unable to go.
Yeah.
We will have people who are physically able to go.
The point is, if people are physically in town, I can get my taser and hunt them down and like drag them out there.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's true.
So next thing is the T-shirts are here. The polos, the vendor had a delay in getting the shirts themselves, so the polos will be delivered sometime. Well, they will be available for pickup sometime this week. But the shirts are here, and they're fantastic. So you should pick one up. If you pre-ordered, just go ahead and pick it up, and if you didn't, shirts are $10, and I highly encourage you to buy one for yourself and your loved ones and your acquaintances and everybody. So they're fantastic shirts, and we want to sell them. But if you want a shirt, just come up to me or CT after the meeting. Actually, come up to CT so that he can be ridiculously organized about knowing who's bought them and for what price, of which I approve. So. Anyway, T-shirts are here, so.
$10.
$10 if you didn't pre-order. And whatever bribes you'd like to give CT just in general. So, AAS in Anchorage, if you're going to Anchorage, make your reservations right now.
Literally right now.
The flight prices are not really changing or haven't been recently, but the hotels are selling out. So right now, make your reservations. And CT, I have information for you on that front.
Thank you.
And if you and Allie and I, who I think are the only people who don't have a hotel yet, cannot find a place, we might talk to Gina and have Gina call AAS and be like, hey guys, we really need some help. Because, yeah.
We should talk about what's out.
Yeah. Well, the meeting should be short today, so we can do that. Anyway, reservations must be made, like, now. There was something else I wanted to say about the shirts, and I can't remember at the moment, but if I think of it, I will do so. Upcoming events. Movie night is on April 27th at 6-ish p.m., which I believe is a date that works for everybody. We were planning on watching Star Trek IV, The Voyage Home. For those of you not familiar with the titles, that's the Star Trek movie with the whales. That's how I think of it.
That's how I think of it.
Yeah, come on.
I think of the time travel that's really
Yes, but I can't get past the fact that Spock mind melds with a whale. Therefore, it is the Star Trek movie with the whales.
That's weird.
So unless anybody has another movie that they really want to watch, it's the best of both worlds. It is both classic sci-fi and bad sci-fi.
It's not bad. It's like the best of the original series ones.
Wait, so how does
Yes, you qualified best of the original series ones. Yeah, it's the science. Yeah, I'm sorry. I should say the science is what I'm referring to.
It's one of the more creative ways of doing time travel.
It is a pretty creative way of doing time travel.
Anyway.
Anyway, that is the plan. So speak now or forever hold your peace. It is a very enjoyable movie. I just want you all to know what you're watching. Earth Day is the 21st, as you all should be well aware.
It's also the GRE.
Yay!
Oh,
Everything.
God, is everything.
Everything is on the 21st.
Everything. Wow.
If you signed up to go but weren't sure, if you signed up as a maybe, Katie needs to hear back from you, like, now. Because we need to be absolutely sure what activities we're going to be able to offer. Teacher Day at UA, as far as I know, is we are still signed up to do solar telescopes. Kevin? Yeah. Which leaves hiking. How many people here are actually planning on going hiking on Saturday between like 10 and 3? Okay. I'm sorry, Lisa. We probably will not go hiking then.
Jake was raising his hand
Oh.
too.
Apologies for.
I don't care about Jake, so
I love you, Taylor.
yeah. I'm sorry, Mandy was in the way.
I'm sorry, it was my fault.
Always ready.
It's always
I
Kevin's
don't care
fault.
about.
Well, we're transferring
So-
that responsibility to Mandy instead of leaving.
Hey! I don't want that responsibility.
Alright guys, enough. Anyway, I'm sorry guys. Are you guys at all interested in hiking on Saturday?
I mean, yeah, but you're not doing it. It's not big.
Okay. We probably won't. Sorry guys. I cannot go. Other people will be out of town.
And other people can't go.
Other people can't go. But if you guys want, I can reserve a space on the mall. You guys can play Frisbee. If you guys are... Oh, that's a ringing endorsement right there of Frisbee. Oh, Frisbee. That's fine. Well, I'm sorry we did try to get this set up, but I am about at the absolute panic point right now, so...
In terms of school.
in terms of school and a couple other things. So, I apologize. We might try and get something else set up, maybe the weekend after finals or the weekend before finals if you guys are here. But probably not. We'll just work on this for next semester. You live in, no offense, but you live in Sarita. There's nothing wrong with Sarita, it's just a ways away. Yes, it is. I have a pool that's just not very... Oh, wait!
Hey.
There's stuff in there that I have actively been eating that you shouldn't give to other people.
I was giving it to me.
For those of you watching online, there is cake.
And you should
That we're
come.
now fighting over.
Yeah. In case you were wondering what all the interruptions related to food are about. So, I'm sorry, guys. We'll try next semester, and we'll actually get this set up ahead of time, and we won't get swamped with tests and labs and everything. Hey, I won't have advanced lab next semester, so
But we will.
yeah, sucks for you. I know. I'm a horrible person. Astrophotography, I'm assuming didn't happen on Saturday? Yeah, because there was nobody there, and no fancy digital cameras. So,
we
had
don't
those.
see digital
Oh.
cameras. We just had 50 people to deal with at all times.
okay. Well, good. I'm glad there was a good turnout. I am disappointed that we got that donation for 50 people, but whatever.
I don't think people saw the donation box.
All right. Well, we will plan on starting digital astrophotography next month. Film astrophotography, I'm sorry, is just not going to get done until the fall. I might be able to set something up right after finals if you guys are really interested, but it's just going to take a while to get the permissions and convince them that we're not going to, like, set the building on fire.
Can we promise that?
Yes? I can't promise not to flood the AC system with toxic fumes, but I can
That would
promise not
end
to
well.
set it on fire. But digital astrophotography should be pretty straightforward. I have Photoshop, Jake has Photoshop. Bree has Photoshop. Sorry.
Someone over in the corner.
Some, people have Photoshop. So bring your digital cameras next month to Sabino Canyon, and we will do some actual astrophotography. And it will be exciting.
Yay!
Yay! See? CT is excited.
Yay!
And just moving into the stuff that's been going on for a while. Earth Day at Biosphere 2, as I said, if you're planning on participating, you need to go to the meetings and let Katie know this week whether or not you can go for sure or not. Projects are ongoing. We have an observing run for the radio project this weekend and next weekend. Exoplanet project and Banach project, I don't think have any immediate updates. We're waiting for the welding for the binocular telescope project, but that hopefully will happen quite soon. Member pages, there are some. You guys should all get one. I know my campaign for this has been wildly successful, so I'll just keep saying it until people start having member pages. Membership is $10 a semester, and Astronomy Question of the Week starts more or less right now. So, does anybody have any? It starts as soon as Dawn has finished eating a piece of cake. Does anybody have anything else?
I do. The Astronomical Society of the Pacific meeting is happening beginning of August, and it's a conference about science, communication, education stuff, and it's really cool. And I think they are working it out so that if we volunteer, which they're going to need a lot of volunteers, that we don't have to pay for the conference for registration. And registration is like $325 if you're a member. So if you want to help out and go to a really cool conference and are interested about science education and astronomy education, talk to me or Don, because Don knows a lot.
I have asked that question of the executive officer. I haven't gotten a reply, so I don't yet know how that
I got a
might
kind of reply saying, give us some names of people that are interested. So, is anybody here interested in going?
When is it?
August 4 to 8, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
August 4th through 8th. The first couple days of the conference are like, I think it's like an educator type day where they just talk to mostly teachers and have workshops for teachers. But then the rest of the conference is for almost everybody. But they probably need volunteers for everything. So,
And we're particularly interested in the
get a
teaching sign-up sheet.
sign-up sheet, and if you're interested in helping out and going to the conference, let me know. We're also probably going to give our poster about our projects and the educational aspects of our projects. It might even be the same poster that we use for WAS. We're going for slightly different elements. So if you're interested, talk to me. Sign up on
All right. Anything else? Okay.